So I'm off to the market for my friend. We're going to get some stuff because we're going to be preparing Ekpang Nkukwo. I don't know. Well, my Calabar friends, Akwa friends, you guys should let me know if I pronounced Ekpang Nkukwo well. So that's what we'll be preparing today. I might show you guys the markets and how we get some stuff in the market. So stay tuned. My outfit. I don't know if you can see me. So today I came to my friend's house and she has made me to join her and prepare Ekpang Nkukwo, but I was like, no, I need to show my YouTube friends and family how they make Ekpang Nkukwo. So the first step is we got our cocoyam, we washed it, we peeled it, we washed it, and now we are grating it. Cocoyam and water yam, that's what we are grating now. I'll still take you guys on the next step after this procedure. You guys should just sit down, relax and watch.
Cause I only want you, yeah. Cause I only want you, yeah. Cause I only want you.
To put oil in an empty pot. You can see how big and deep this pot is, so we just put oil in it. Sorry, this video is kind of scattered, but you guys should manage it like that. At least I'm going to still show you guys the process. Then in this pot we are steaming our
Cause I only want you, yeah. Cause I only want you, yeah. Cause I only want you, baby, yeah. Cause I only want you, yeah. Cause I only want you, yeah. Cause I only want.
So guys, we've put the isam into the pot of oil. This particular process is done just to make sure that the Ekpang Nkukwo is on top of the isam and it doesn't get burnt. I don't know if you guys are following the gist, but yeah, we put isam inside the oil just to make sure that the Ekpang Nkukwo stays on top of the isam and prevents it from burning. So guys, she's about to start wrapping the cocoyam and water yam, and we are using green and ugu. You can use ugu too. So that's what we are using to wrap the cocoyam. Arrange it. So guys, when you're putting in your wrapped cocoyam and water yam, you neatly arrange it into the pot round and allow the middle part to be open. I'm going to show you guys the finished look, but we are just still wrapping. We're still in the process of wrapping. Stay tuned guys, and please, if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe, like, share, comment on the video, and I hope this video is impactful to you. Guys, I just want to show you the remaining condiments that we are going to be putting into the Ekpang Nkukwo. Like you can see here, we have some vegetables. We have the green leaf, the scent leaf, and the ugu leaf, pumpkin leaf, or whatever you want to call it. But we just tried to put in the scent leaf to give the Ekpang Nkukwo a nice flavor. Then this is our smoked fish. We had to also add the cow skin, which is locally known as kpomo. Then this fish here, I don't know if you guys can see clearly, this particular fish is called Ibat. It's used by the Cross Riverians or the Akwa Ibomites. I don't know what they call it in the English term, but yeah, this fish is just used in the Ekpang Nkukwo to give it a nice taste. It's for the taste to be actually very nice. Then these are pepper, our red bell peppers, and crayfish. So these are all the things we're going to be adding right into the pot of Ekpang Nkukwo. Okay, so guys, this is the Ekpang Nkukwo. We are turning in the hot water, a hot boiling water, into the pot. Can you guys see? So this is what it looks like. Don't allow the water to cover the Ekpang Nkukwo. Now we are gradually putting in the condiments. This is the pepper and crayfish. Then added the properly washed and deboned smoked fish. So guys, make sure you follow this process, like follow the procedure step by step, don't miss any step. So right now she's adding in the cow skin and the Ibat. Ibat, not Ibat. I don't know how you guys pronounce it, but yes, we are adding in the Ibat to make sure the taste of the food is actually very nice.
The vegetables will be added much later.
Okay, so we are going to add the vegetables much later. We're just going to cover this up and allow it to boil. Okay, so the Ekpang Nkukwo has come to a boiling point, and she's just putting in some seasoning cubes for taste, and she's also going to add in some salt just to, you know, give the Ekpang Nkukwo nice taste. And there's no food without adding salt, you know. So yes guys, I'm going to show you guys the finished look. Just see how beautiful this looks. I'm salivating already. Another tip for Ekpang Nkukwo is that make sure you don't stir until you notice that it has been properly formed, like the boiling method has formed your Ekpang Nkukwo, before you use a spatula, a wooden spoon, not your iron spoon, no, wooden spoon, to carefully mix and turn the Ekpang Nkukwo. I just said I should put it out there so that you guys will know. Added the chopped leaves. Remember the scent leaf, ugu and green that we chopped earlier. We've added it into the Ekpang Nkukwo. Right now we are stirring. Remember to use your wooden spatula to stir. Don't use iron spoon or whatever you guys use in the various kitchens. So stir carefully. Are you saying the Ekpang Nkukwo is still in place? It's not scattering because you allowed it to boil without stirring initially. Gosh guys, see how beautiful this Ekpang Nkukwo looks. Can you hear the sizzling sound? We already know this is going to taste beautiful and sweet and nice. Guys, I wish you guys were here to eat this with me, but I'm sorry. Okay guys, I'm just going to show you guys the finished look. You allow this to boil for about 5 more minutes, then you bring it down.